Do you use your PC for live streaming, video conference calls, or even just chatting? The NVIDIA Broadcast apps turns your room into a home studio with the power of AI. Noise removal can get rid of distracting ambient noise like keyboard typing or outside construction. Background removal, replacement, and blur allow you to customize your appearance on the screen. Eye contact. NVIDIA Broadcast's latest feature uses AI to make it seem as if you're looking at a camera, even when you're not. Auto frame tracks your movement to keep you at the center of attention, while video noise removal enhances the quality of your camera, especially useful for low light situations. Have you tried NVIDIA Broadcast?